Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS of one-liner questions which are very useful for the all competitive examinations. Whoever is watching this, please have a look of whatever the previous GK and GS one-liners. They are very useful though they have compiled from previous year question papers. So let us see what exactly we have. The Red Cliff Line is the international border between India and Pakistan. Please guys remember whatever the international lines. Have a look in my playlist. You will find all international lines and with the pictures. That Radcliffe line was between India and Pakistan exist. The food crop sown in largest area in India is that is paddy. Maximum production is done in India. The hills that has the Dodabetta peak is, as you can see to the right side, how exactly the Dodabetta peak exists, which is located in Annamalai Hills. The process is responsible for changing the color of the rock into yellow or red, that is known as oxidation process. So in this what happens is the color of the rock directly converts into yellow or red in color. So here Annamalai Hills are located in which place? You comment me in this end of the video. I want you guys to comment. I let you know how exactly you are preparing and you are responsible for your own life. Seasonal movement of people from mountains to plains and vice versa is called, that is, transhumance. Please remember guys, whatever the seasonal movement of people from mountains to plains and vice versa is called, that is transhumance. Please remember transhumance. Next we have the peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides, that is known as peninsula. So in which you can find the Kanyakumari in India is one type of peninsula. That's an example. Around our nation we have Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Ocean. So India is a peninsula, that is the land surrounded by water on the three sides. A narrow neck of land that connects two large landmarks is isthmus. As you can see to the right side how exactly the isthmus looks like near to the Panama Canal. That narrow land, a neck of land that connects two large landmarks is isthmus. The color of laterite soil, that is we should remember that whatever the color of the laterite soil is in red in nature. Next we have the doldrum or a low pressure belt round the equator where there are very light winds and calm seas exist. So what exactly the doldrums are? They are low pressure belt around the equator where there are very light winds and calm seas exist during that place. They are doldrums. The best known bird sanctuary in Haryana was, that is Sultanpur was the best known bird sanctuary which is located in Haryana. The twin city of Cochin, you can remember as you can see to the right side how exactly the twin city of Cochin, Ernakulam as well as Kochi, they are the twin cities you can call it as. So here we have the state is bounded by Bangladesh on three sides is Tripura. So Tripura's capital is Agartala. So Tripura is bounded three sides, that is Bangladesh. As you can see we have the West Bengal, but we call it as East Bengal, that is Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is around three sides is bounded by Tripura. The Netherlands was earlier known as Holland. Please remember that Netherlands is the first country which has given the permission for the death of euthanasia. Please remember whatever euthanasia means. Whoever has got paralysis, he wants to die on his own, so he can have the legal permission to die on his own. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see how exactly there are various subjects, it has been segregated. I request you guys to share it, and I request after sharing this that information will benefit for the future of the people. Next we have the largest lake in the world, that is Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world. The government in fact is an agent of the state. So government is what? It's a agent of the state. So here next we have the book The Prince was written by Machiavelli. So who had written the book The Prince? That is Machiavelli. Next we have the social Darwinism means survival of the fittest is known as social Darwinism. Here you can see how exactly looks like based on Charles Darwin's theory of evolution applied to the struggle between workers and employers, held that society should do as little as possible to interfere with the people's pursuit of success. So this is the main reason of this survival of the fittest means that is applied to the struggle between workers and the employers. Here we have that is held that society should do as little as possible to interfere with the people's pursuit of success. The term fourth estate refers to, I also told that the fourth estate was a newspaper which is concerning to the press. Here we have next slide, the first Indian to be the President of United Nations General Assembly. So remember guys, United Nations General Assembly's first president, that is woman president, you can see Srimati Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. She was the one who had nominated as the first Indian to be the President of United Nations General Assembly. She is a woman architect of the Indian Republic. So Vijay Lakshmi Pandit entered on a distinguished diplomatic career, leading the Indian delegation to the United Nations. So here we have on the part of the constitution, the concept of welfare state finds elaboration, that is DPSP. It means Directive Principles of State Policy. So this is the part of constitution on the, that is welfare state. The judges of the high courts cannot practice after retirement in the high courts served by them. Please remember guys, whoever exists, the judges of the high court, they cannot have the practice after the retirement in the high courts served by them. The election of the president can be challenged in Supreme Court. So whatever the election of the president, that can be challenged in Supreme Court. So please remember the main intention of this Supreme Court, which is located in New Delhi, the election of the president that can be challenged in which place? That is in Supreme Court. Here we have the election commission is a constitutional body. So whatever its commission is, constitutional body. The president of Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was the president of maiden president. Maiden means first president of Constituent Assembly. You can see how exactly the Rajendra Prasad looks like. So he inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he became an active part of India's freedom struggle. So that is one thing. He is the first president of India also, and the guiding extremely valuable for our nation during the formative years. Here we have next the Chancellor of State Universities, that is Governor of the state. We should remember, as the president is exists for the nation, the same manner the governor is also as a Chancellor of State Universities be officiating, that is Governor of the state. The ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission of India is the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, as you can see, he was ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission as well as Niti Aayog. FERA means Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, but now it has changed it to FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. Please remember guys, now there is no more FERA, that is FEMA. Anand Dairy Farm is in which place? That is located in Gujarat. As you can see, Anand Junction is present, that is Anand Dairy Farm. Next we have equilibrium is determined when supply is equal to demand. As you can see, equilibrium means where we have the supply as well as demand, both are same, that is equilibrium. The cash crop, that is Sugarcane is one type of cash crop where it is maximum produced. In Uttar Pradesh, it is maximum produced. The largest revenue system is yielded from the excise duty. The largest revenue system is produced. The credit control operation is performed by, that is, Reserve Bank of India on April 1st, 1935. As you can see, the credit control operation is performed. The formation has taken place in April 1, 1935. Next we have the Bombay High Court is famous for offshore oil exploration. We have Bombay High as well, where you have maximum oil production is produced from this place. The Indian-born scientist awarded the Nobel Prize Astrophysics. Professor S. Chandrasekhar is the guy. That is, Indian-born scientist awarded the Nobel Prize Astrophysics. The mirror placed near the driver is, that is, convex mirror is placed near to the driver. As you can see, here we have ultrasonic is used to disintegrate stones. So that is the way of producing how exactly ultrasonic sound is used for the disintegration of the stones in your body. Mica is used in an electric iron because it is a good conductor of heat. As you can see, mica, which is used in an electric iron, that is because the good conductor of heat, that is the reason we use the mica in it. Next we have a line on a map joining places having equal atmospheric pressure is, they are known as isobar. That is the line where you have the equal atmospheric pressure exists. The foul smell of rancid butter is due to butyric acid. As you can see, whatever the foul smell of the rancid butter, that is because of butyric acid. So please go through what are the pronunciation. Diamond is a form of, that is, carbon. We knew that. Purest form of the carbon, that is a diamond. We have, it is an insulator, and the graphite is a conductor. The method used to obtain the alcohol from the molasses is called fermentation. In this fermentation process, whatever we use, that is alcohol from the molasses. So we obtain the alcohol from the molasses. Storage battery is commonly contained, that is lead. So even we have the lead which is produced by the vehicles with the pollution. In this storage battery we have the sulfuric acid as well. Next we have the soil which cracks and shrinks most as it dries is, that is clayey soil. In this, the soil which cracks and shrinks most as it dries is clayey soil. The branch of botany which deals with the form of the plant is, that is known as morphology. In this case, morphology, the branch of botany which deals with the form of the plant. Next we have Bordeaux mixture, that is a one type of fungicide. Even mushroom is a one type of fungicide. Root nodule of legume contains nitrifying bacteria. As you can see right side, how exactly nitrogen from the air be formed. So root nodules of legume contains nitrifying bacteria. Bacterial diseases are found in which one? The plants and animals and humans, that it has got the bacterial diseases. So these are the one which I had compiled. I hope this will be one of the useful for you guys. You can share it to your friends. If you want a PDF of it, like 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Keep on doing it. You will get succeeded.